Hello TCA, Mr. Hughes here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you could create a reoccurring meeting link within Zoom for your students to use whenever they need to log into your live class session. So the first step is to go to zoom.us. At the very top right, click Sign In. And then to sign into your Zoom account using your TCA email address, go ahead and click on the Sign In with Google here at the bottom. I've already signed into Schoology in this other tab using my TCA email account, so that's why it logged me in automatically. If it doesn't automatically log you in, you just need to type in your school email address and your school email password, and it will log you in to this screen. So we want to make sure that before you start scheduling a meeting that you have done all of the settings according to our recommendation that we sent out as a Google Doc. So once you have the settings set just the right way, then you could go back to meetings, click schedule a new meeting. For the topic, you could do something like third hour science. And then description, you could put, like I'm going to put Mr. Hughes's third hour virtual class session. Since we're going to create a recurring meeting, don't worry about any of these time settings, because when you click on the reoccurring meeting checkbox and then next to reoccurrence, select no fixed time, you will see that all of that date and time details disappear. So go ahead and stay with the meeting ID generated automatically. It should have already put a passcode for you. Make sure that the checkbox next to waiting room has been checked. For video, go ahead and have both host and participant are on. All of these boxes should be unchecked when you first set up this meeting. Okay, but I like to have the mute participants upon entry selected, so that automatically mutes the students when they log in. It just cuts down on background noise. They could always unmute themselves if they need to. And then the only thing that you want to do is if you want to record your meetings automatically to your local computer, you could click this checkbox before you save. When you click save, it will show you all the details for your meeting. Right? You're going to want to highlight the meeting link. Then right click on your mouse. Left click copy. Then go ahead and go to your Schoology class page. At the top where it says add materials, click on that. And then you're going to add a file, link external tool. Select link. Okay, here in the top box, you're going to right click. And then go ahead and left click paste. Put your title. So I'm going to put, my title is click here to join the live class session. And then this icon of a paper, it says display in Schoology, so click that. Now it says display in new window. That just means that when they click on the link, it will open it in a new window, which will make it a little bit easier for Zoom to load. Click add. And then you will see that your link has been added here at the top of your course. You could always move it up if you need to. it would be a good idea to have this as one of your top most items, so it's easy for them to locate each time they need to log in to the live class session. And then finally, you should click on it to make sure that Zoom is opening. Once you've tested that it is opening, then you are good to go. Then go ahead and go back to Zoom, click on Meetings, and then you could click on Schedule a New Meeting, so you could create a different link for each of your classes.